All right, guys, we are in Wildwood, beautiful St. Mary's County. Just wrapped up an awesome backyard project. A lot of different features on this one, everywhere from a big wide sidewalk, inlaid border, structural retaining wall block, vertical retaining wall block, capstones, steps, composite decking to match the patio. The whole deal, we put it in this backyard project for great customers. We got a testimonial from them. They were wonderful to work with, got along with the crew great. Just the whole thing, just start to finish, it turned out good. Customers are happy, we're happy. You guys just completely transformed your backyard. Yeah, looks good. Great example of different retaining wall blocks, different uses and why we use it, okay? So right here, to hold back this raised patio, structural retaining wall block with a capstone. We backfilled behind it, compacted it, put the paver patio above it, okay? Structural wall block, patio above it. It's holding something back. Right here, same color, same style. This is a vertical wall block. It's for aesthetics, okay? So there's nothing being held behind it. It comes straight up instead of tearing back. And this is for like your sit walls, flower bed, stuff like that. So this is a great example, side by side, structural block, vertical block, and we can utilize them, same color, same capstone on the same project.
It's like our neighbor. She must have peeked back here or something, and she sent us a message, and she said, "You're a backyard oasis." And that's how it feels like, really. I mean, we're not even done yet, but
Good.
we don't go out. We're always homebodies, and so
Yeah.
we need to have our house, you know.
Yeah. I'm sure it was loud and dusty here for a while. Yeah. Yeah.
Those guys would go home with their hair white and
Oh,
their
yeah.
clothes all covered, and everything was all covered in dust.
Yeah.
But, you know, I mean, it's part of the process.
Yeah.
It's fine.
It looks like they cleaned up pretty good.
They
there.
did really
Yeah.
good cleaning up, I tell you. They went around, picked up everything, they washed everything down. They even washed my husband's car.
Good.
I gotten it all from the dust.
Yeah.
And Will came by and he started, you know, like
Yeah.
hosing it down, and then that was really nice.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So this is a really good scenario to kind of show you the different patios that we install, right? This is a flat patio, flush with the ground, comes out of the basement door, flush with the yard, okay? Now up here, we come up a tier. This is a raised patio. Structural retaining wall block. We build the next patio above that. Kind of gives it some dimensional look here, okay? Now, come over here. We have another tiered patio to kind of work with this grade, right? So we put in a structural wall, raised patio behind it, and then to make this transition here, we did a vertical wall for aesthetics to kind of help make the transition with this hill. Looks great, and definitely a great way to utilize all your space on a yard that's not completely flat. We replaced an old set of steps coming out the house with the composite decking, right? So when we're pairing the composite decking with the pavers, it allows us to play with colors and get everything to match. Flows great, like you can see here. The gray composite decking really matches the gray color scheme on these pavers and just turns out awesome, ties the whole project together.
Super happy.
Yeah, no, this is great.
Now we're 100% happy with our home. You know,
There you go.
I mean, we were happy with the house, but then the backyard, and now not a problem anymore.